Welcome and be inspired. Welcome and be inspired with Dominic. Today we're going to turn this cardboard tube into these decorative candles. And believe me when I say they are lit.
I still remember when he made this for us. That was last video. And I still remember. Some more light would be nice. I agree. What this new cult headquarters offers in terms of view, it sure makes up for in darkness. And cold. We could. No. But he... No! Do not say his name! You mean... Be inspired with Dominic! Okay, time for a field trip. I knew it!
Wrong sequence.
You'll get there eventually.
Sometimes I feel like the cult is watching me.
Is he on to us? No, he can't be. We are watching through the magic of post-processing. He can never know while he is actually recording.
Are you sure about that?
He used to be. Stop commenting when you aren't even there, Cultist 3. Sorry. Will you let me go now?
Yes, I will, if you remove that scathing review you left about me on Cultify.
Consider it done. That was weird. Maybe he bumped the camera. Such effect shots are tricky. Maybe he's just playing with the audience's expectation. Like a pro. I bet he'd like us to think that. He pays me to think that.
Oh well.
What was that? Nothing. You know you need to take them apart again to fit the hot glue cap.
And you couldn't tell me that before I put them together?
How is he doing this? It's called vase mode. What? In this mode, the printer lays down a single continuous bead of plastic to form an appropriate shape. What's an appropriate shape? One that works with vase mode. Oh. Sounds like that requires an awful lot of precision. It does. Then how could Dominic possibly pull it off? I don't know. Technology is amazing. What trickery is this? I think he is using magic. No, I believe this is called an Arduino. Arduino? Is that a demon he summoned? No, it's more like an imp doing your bidding. If you speak their language. What would you know about it, Cultist 2? I like them blinky lights. What is he doing? If you want to make your own Porch candles, he uploaded the file for the Flame to Thingiverse, where you can find the Arduino sketch as well. Links in the description. What was that? I think it was some light connection. Blinky lights.
Finally, I can consider my shop decorated. Looks like there's something missing. Good thing I plan ahead.
More inspired, yet again. By who? Be inspired with Dominic.
On that note, let me check that review on Cultify.
Did you remove the review? No. I did now.
Now it's gone. Our record is spotless again. Well, there's nothing there anymore, but we can work on that later. So for now, in the spirit of the holidays, Gah!
Inspired indeed.
So while I have you here, I want to wish you a great rest of the year, and this is me still hoping I can get this out before Christmas, but happy holiday, whatever you celebrate, whether you celebrate or not, anyone can do with a few happy days. Also a quiet time between the years, which is something I guess we all hope for but usually don't get, so maybe that helped. Let me know what you think about these, and I didn't go into the electronics part of this. This is simply using I forgot the name, it's a library included with Arduino, or an example rather for a flame, basically. You can change the colors, which I didn't here, and this originated as an idea for Halloween to make a small self-contained unit similar to the cane candle, which would be much easier to handle if I had figured out a way to attach the bottom. But it'll do for now. Also, yes, I forgot the diffuser on that candle, but yeah, I think it still works out alright, and it's only for the cult. On a side note, I use a power bank for this to make it mobile, but when I put it down somewhere for good, I'll probably use a wall wart. Like I said, for a pumpkin, the idea was to use different flame color spectrum, like green, as you saw in the can, which was actually my prototype. Not the can, but the microcontroller inside. But like the cultist said, and I told them to, I'm not a channel that does microcontrollers. I do a lot of things, but I didn't want to go into that when there are so many other good resources out there. So if you have questions about anything, post them down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them at some point to a certain degree of quality, but let me know whether you enjoyed this video. That's the main thing that counts. Who am I kidding? Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to be inspired. Also, have a dancing cultist. Happy holidays!